Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today for what's come in the yard this weekend, a lovely Peugeot 207 station wagon diesel. I think this is the 1.6 HDI, and as you can see by the towing line, it's very French. I'm afraid the timing belt has gone on it, or low compression, but there we are. Mind the bad handshaking, dodgy camera workmanship. Let's take a quick look around the car. Finished in black. I think this is one of the top Ranger one. Been well looked after. On a 12 plate, very nice. Towing eye there, spotlights there. Headlights are faded. Can't be no on them. We got the alloys by there. It's not a bad car actually. Obviously, we got an ouch. We got an ouch by there. Yep, we got an ouch focus camera. Thank you. Alloys by there. Obviously it's been a busy week. Got the reversing sensors, which I love. And obviously we've got the passenger side looking very nice, actually, very nice, apart from a few scratches. And we've got the manual, and obviously, ooh, locking fuel cap. Very nice, mine never ever locked. Let's fold that by there. Let's have a quick look in the boot, shall we? I love... Hello, Wuggy. Yes, don't worry, I know I'll feed you. Here we are. Nice big boot focus camera, thank you. Very nice. Obviously, we've got the split seats by here. And so forth. Like that. It's a very nice... We've even got a nice... parcel shelf. Look at that. Very nice. Obviously we got a nice big luggage space, and obviously under here we got the spare wheel and the jack, and obviously the towing lights in the front. But very nice. I do like it. I do like it. Plenty of space. Let's close that. Yes, doggy, it's only a quick one tonight. Let's have a look in the back here, shall we? Obviously, we've got hard touch plastics in the back. We've got tinted glass. I don't think it'll show up on camera. Thank you for focusing. Here we are, hard touch plastic. A little bit of soft touch by there with leather. Nothing special. Obviously, we got the single electric control switch, chrome door handle, nice big door pocket. And as you can see, it's very nice. Plenty of headroom. I'll give it that. But unfortunately, yeah, the seat's not in the forward configuration. A bit tight for me to squeeze in. But there's no centre armrest. Aww. Peugeot, what was you thinking? Nice seats though. Leather in sports. Let's have a look in the front. Obviously driver's door card by here. Hard touch plastic. You got your control windows for front and back. Obviously electric mirrors. Nice big door pocket by there. So look, ooh, yeah, it's very nice. On the passenger side, we've got the same again. Seats are really nice, actually. Seats are really, really nice. Big dashboard for the size of the car. Really big dashboard. Do like the clocks, sports, you know, right there. Obviously, nice big dashboard there. Soft touch. Yeah, soft touch. Funny enough, why they make it a soft touch, and yet the door cards are for hard. Got a little cubby hole by there. We have a very small glove box, but Peugeot, very small. But as you actually look, the lady who actually had this car had it for quite a while. A lot of service histories with the car. Ooh, sorry, a bit on the wrong there, sorry. Yeah, had this car for a while. Absolutely service history. And before it did decide to go, she put a lovely new battery on it, I think. Yep. Focus camera. Yep. 138. Battery light flashing there. Obviously, we have got the panoramic roof, but the cover is over at the moment. But it's all very clean and tidy. We've got the grab handles, obviously. And we have a vanity mirror. Sweet. Thank you for focusing camera. Yes, vanity mirror. Sweet. Very nice on that one. Obviously we've got our light by there. Moving down, obviously we got our radio display by here. Obviously our seatbelt warning lights will be underneath as well. Moving down, we got the centre vents. Obviously the hazard light. We got the Peugeot single radio unit by there, CD. Below that we have the cubby hole. Is that Bluetooth? Doesn't look Bluetooth. We have the cubby hole by there. We have our single climate control by there. We have our recirc, AC and rear demist. Obviously we have our direction, fans and temperature. Obviously moving down, we obviously got the lock and child lock. Oh, we got a USB and aux port. Nice. Now I would imagine this would be the ashtray or something, but we've got a 12 volt socket by there. Haven't been smoked in. Very nice. Obviously we got a 5-speed gearbox by there. Reverse is down. And fifth and so forth. Oh, we got the spare key. She did say it was 2 keys for the car. There's a spare key there. In that cubby hold. Obviously we've got the switch there for the panoramic roof cover to go backwards and forwards. Good old chunky handbrake and nice cup holders. But unfortunately there's none for the front. That's these for the front, so if you're in the back and you got a cup drink, yep, you're going to be fighting for it. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see if we got 2 seconds, if I can. the key fell apart. The key fell apart. Oh, there we go. Oh, it fell apart. Let's see if I can put that in. Okay, we got ignition. Managed to work a bit. Economy mode active. Okay. Okay, that doesn't work. Yes, and you're beeping at me. Okay, okay. Alright, let's knock that off a minute, shall we? Alright, so let's fix that in the morning. Nice big leather steering wheel. Bit worn there, bit tatty, but there we are. We got our indicators by there. We got our flash. Yep. Our indicators, we got a flash, and we got obviously our wipers by there. Obviously, we got no radio or cruise control. Oh no, sorry, we've got radio control. Sorry, it's on this side. I do apologise. It's my dodgy camera workmanship. Obviously, we got the light level by there. And obviously, we got a cubby hole by there. Right, let's wrap this up, shall we? Do you like a Peugeot 207 station wagon? Do you prefer the hatchback? Or do you prefer the 307 state? Or the hatchback? Well, no, this is a 308, I believe. But yeah, not a bad little car. Shame about the engine on it, though, but not a bad little car. Do like it. But I don't think it's going to be saved. I think this one is for the scrap. But anyway, we'll see what comes in next week on into the yard. Until then, it's a Peugeot.